Jah could never give the power to a ballad. So I man see don't panic black I am it. See don't panic black I am it. I man see don't panic black I am it. Walk one of the world, yeah. When I man say greetings, you know. And we have His Imperial Majesty, King Jesus Christ, Jah over Jireh, conquering land of the tribe of Judah, you know. And I don't care if you wear Adidas, Nike, or Puma, or if you walk barefoot like me or Muta. Once you walk with Jesus, you know that Him are the ruler. Welcome to Meds. So before I get down into the Meds, you know, and I just want to make a few clarifications, because the last time I post the Meds, we get a bag of questions and all these things, and a bag of speculations, you know. So I just want to clarify, first of all, I is like a typical dread, you know. I don't smoke the herbs and all these things. I high come from the heavens, from His Almighty Himself, you know. I do the natural high, you dig? Second thing is that, you know, I found a look at me and I wonder why the eye beard shape up and all these things. First of all, not too fast. Somehow, you can't be growing one hair, no wear ass here. Somehow, you don't even have the edges on the face. Somehow, man, on the hairline, I run left on the fire. Not too fast. Next thing I want to address, you know. When I post the last Meds, you know, and I make a taxi, you know, don't make the eye find a dub for the politician, them, you know. So I went ahead and borrowed my brethren guitar, you know. Cause I did go to the studio to make a dub because the item in the comment did I say the item want to hear a dub, you know. So I make a try to the studio, you know. But when I reach the studio, the producer boy and the engineer come tell I some crazy amount of money for do a dub. But when I still meticulously scrutinize it, you know, I realize that the item take the eye for idiot. We take the eye for fool. The item want free laugh and free meds. I don't want free dub. No I. No free dub around here. Run some dub money. So I slump on the black and iron meds. What really are going on this corona thing? What really are going on here? This thing get out of control. And I watch the corona run through the island like how the water run through I house the other day. I did get flooded out. Oh, let me tell you about that story the rest. So I sit down in an eye dwelling, you know. And I queen. Like a young pass on the road. So I sit down in an eye dwelling. I queen and I two youths them. One youth named Simba and the other one named Pride. You know? So me, Simba, Pride, and I Empress sit down in the room and I watch the magic box, you know. But I don't call it television. Magic box, I call it because it have the whole on the mesmerize, you know. So I feel something like an ankle. So I say, Simba, you can't be playing with the ties in the house like that. Mind the earth, the eye. But then I foot button them kind of tough, you know, because as I say, I walk wherever I go. So I never feel when the water touch I foot. It's when the water reach I ankle and a milk box come and knock I ankle. I realize I getting flooded out. So I want to talk to the government, you know, because I live off of Marcus Garvey Drive, you know. I live on a little tenement dwelling, you know. And someone probably look at and I say, why the rest live in a tenement yard? And I live where I can afford. And I listen to no song about dreadlocks can live in a tenement yard. I live where I can afford. So I sit down on the block, you know, and I realize something, you know. The baby mother them, when them clean them baby bottom, them take the pampers and them throw it in the gully. So that I realized that when the water is supposed to run off, the water cycle up. It cycle up on Marcus Garvey Drive and it cycle up in the eye dwelling. So I want the government to come about and do something about this. Get rid of the baby mother them, because them cause a problem. Man. So what is going on with this COVID thing, people? The item move too risky. The item moving too risky. You're not wearing a mask. I'm not doing a social distancing. And I wear eye mask every day. Because an eye mask was sent from the Father above. But I always ensure that I have another mask just in case something go wrong, you know. But I don't be going around people and rubbing up. Only if you keep the social distancing thing and stop the foolishness. Meds. So I realize that this COVID-19 thing come to kill off the island, you know. It come to hold we down, it come to oppress we, you know? But I hear that them releasing a vaccine. But I not take them vaccine, you know? I not take no Babylon vaccine. Because when I mix up ice spirulina, with I moringa, with I sarsaparilla, with I Irish mash, with I lime leaf, with I soursop, you think a COVID? A COVID, because I can get rid of it. Mates.